I began my work life with an education loan only. There was another personal financial emergency which was not covered by insurance, etc. The initial 5 years of my work life was marked by paying off loans.
So you moved from there to your first goal in life, which was buying a home.
Yes, that's right. Spent the better part of the next 4 to 6 years paying off the home and other additional expenses that we incurred in interiors.
So that was the first part of your working life. After that, you began building an investment portfolio.
I just got down to setting aside those surpluses for just investing. That's how my longer tenure financial investment journey began. Now maybe about 10, 12 plus odd years of investing for the long term. And it's kind of held me well so far. Touch wood, I've never had to draw down yet. I do not foresee an emergency, which is an uninsured emergency, which would make me draw down on that savings. So it's just continuing to stack up.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.